Welcome to Section 9, Lesson 3. Adding and subtracting rational expressions follows the same logic as numerical fractions. You cannot combine the numerators until the denominators match. The denominator matching step uses the least common denominator, which we build from the factored forms. The least common denominator, or LCD, is the smallest expression that every original denominator divides into. Build it by listing every unique factor that appears in any denominator, taking each one at its highest power among the original denominators. Once the LCD is in hand, multiply each fraction's numerator and denominator by whatever extra factor it needs to reach the LCD. After both fractions share the LCD, combine the numerators by adding or subtracting, simplify, and the result is one rational expression over the LCD. The minus sign in subtraction needs special care. The minus distributes over the entire numerator of the second fraction, which often flips signs in the middle of expansion. Today's two examples cover the standard add and the careful subtract. Take 2 over x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 2, two simple fractions with different linear denominators. Neither denominator is a factor of the other, so the LCD is just their product. The LCD is x plus 1 times x minus 2. Each unique factor appears once. To rewrite the first fraction with this LCD, multiply numerator and denominator by x minus 2. To rewrite the second, multiply numerator and denominator by x plus 1. Both fractions now share the same denominator. Combine the numerators. 2 times x minus 2 gives 2x minus 4. 3 times x plus 1 gives 3x plus 3. Add them 5x minus 1. The combined fraction is 5x minus 1 over the LCD. Simplify if possible. Check whether the numerator and denominator share a factor. 5x minus 1 does not factor over the integer, so no cancellation. The final answer is 5x minus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 2. Example 1. Subtract over x minus 3 minus 2 over x plus 1. The minus sign between the fractions is the part that needs care. Find the LCD. The denominators are x minus 3 and x plus 1. No shared factors. The LCD is their product, x minus 3 times x plus 1. Rewrite each fraction with this LCD. Multiply each numerator by the missing factor. The first fraction becomes x times x plus 1 over the LCD. The second fraction becomes 2 times x minus 3 over the LCD. Subtract the second numerator from the first. The minus sign distributes over the second numerator. 2 times x minus 3 becomes 2x minus 6, but the minus in front flips both signs to negative 2x plus 6. Combine with the first x squared plus x minus 2x plus 6 equals x squared minus x plus 6 over the LCD. The final answer is x squared minus x plus 6 over x minus 3 times x plus 1. Example 2. Add 1 over x squared minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. The first denominator is a difference of squares. The second is one of the factors of the first. Factor the first denominator. X squared minus 1 equals x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now compare to the second denominator, which is just x plus 1. The LCD is x plus 1 times x minus 1, taking the factor x plus 1 only once because that is its highest power across both denominators. Rewrite each fraction with the LCD. The first fraction already has the LCD as its denominator, so it stays the same. The second fraction needs to multiply numerator and denominator by x minus 1 to reach the LCD. The new second fraction is x minus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1. Combine the numerators. 1 plus x minus 1 equals x. The result is x over x plus 1 times x minus 1. The numerator and denominator share no factors, so the answer is in simplest form. 3 takeaways for adding and subtracting rational expressions. They map directly from numerical fractions to algebraic ones. Build the LCD by listing every unique factor that appears in any denominator, then taking each at its highest power. Shared factors only appear once. Unique factors appear with their full multiplicity. The result is the smallest denominator that every original denominator divides into. Rewrite each fraction so its denominator equals the LCD. Multiply numerator and denominator by whatever factor is missing. The fraction's value does not change because you are multiplying by something equal to 1, just rewritten in factored form. When subtracting, the minus sign distributes over the entire second numerator. Every term inside the second numerator flips its sign. Forgetting this step is the most common error in this section, and it produces wrong answers that pass and at a glance check but fail when verified.